What's going on, guys? I got my Sabre 68 home defense launcher. I have it on a 12 gram Crossman CO2. I have drilled the restrictor out 1 millimeter. I used this the other day and it was kind of I had it on a big air tank and it was kind of farting and stuff and like double firing. I just want to make sure I didn't break it again. So I have one Grimberg Joule V3 in the breech. It's probably like 68 degrees out here Fahrenheit right now, so it's not warm. It's probably 21 Celsius most likely. I just want to chrono these, see if it double shoots and farts and acts all weird. I'm pretty sure it was just because my CO2 pressure tank was too much for it. It never has liked super high pressure, but I'll see what this does. So 8 rounds. I'm going to puncture this. I usually have to twist it one complete turn. So it's punctured, it's not leaking. I hear nothing. One ball came out the breech. So that's happened where a ball falls out the front when I hot load. That's happened twice now. I don't know the exact cause, but I just want to get chrono numbers and see if this acts weird. So yes, I got some farting, 260. 242. I'll have to take this apart, check the pins and stuff. Fail to fire and kind of some farting, or didn't read. 216, or I might have to lube up the O-ring or something a little bit, the valve O-ring. 206. 194. 188, and I think I got one more round. 180. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, so that's it for that one. I'll reload it and shoot the next little bit, but I'm just trying to see if I can sort of diagnose what's going on with this. It might just need oil. I haven't oiled it for a little bit, so I'm going to breech load one straight into the bottom down there, so it's in there, and yeah, I'll keep running this thing, see if I get any weird issues or whatever. So I'm gonna point this in a safe direction and put the CO2 in, so it's in there, and I'm gonna fire, see what it does. 190, 178, 168, 154, 146, 140, 'So I'm pretty sure a lot of the gas got expelled with all the farting in the beginning of the mag. 260 feet per second is pretty good. I have gotten those Grimberg Joules on the first couple shots to hit like 275 every once in a while. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check out what's going on with the inside of this thing. So I have one Tippmann Tipex that's acting weird. It was previously getting like 37 joules or so. The Tippmann Tipex was getting about 37 joules. I took it apart and did some just normal maintenance to it, and then when I reassembled it, it was only getting like 18 joules. So I got that one's acting weird right now, and I got some gains on it, but it's still only getting like 21 or 22 joules with the super long barrel and stuff, but usually it's hitting like at least 30 easily, and this one's having the farting going on, so I'll probably have to take this apart and see what's going on with these pins and just check the valve O-ring and stuff. I haven't taken the valve O-ring out of it. I was considering, before I started having these issues with my Sabre, I was considering removing the restrictor and shooting it again with no restrictor, because when I do that it gets much higher power, but obviously it's broken in the past when I did that. So I'll see what I can find out about my Sabre. But yeah, the last time it was acting this way, it was because one of my pins snapped in the kind of like the sear, like trigger assembly kind of area. So I'll show you guys that in a future video. But yeah, that's it for this one. Not great results. I was getting double firing just like how I was with the big CO2 tank, and I thought maybe it was just the big CO2 tank having just too much pressure, but it definitely was not just the CO2 tank. I mean, I could try this on HPA and see what it does, but I don't get that high of joule values from the HPA when I use it. I haven't tried the 900 psi HPA yet, but when I use the 700 psi HPA, it's I get like 11 joules or 10 joules or something out of that thing, which is as strong as a Berna SD, but it can, this one the way it is right now, it can hit up to like 28 joules or 27, at least 27 sometimes on hot days with these. So I'll see what happens to it. I'll take it apart, show you guys what's going on in there, see if I can figure out the pins being snapped or if it just needs oil or something. But anyways, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time.